Now this thing is crazy. This is our SRT8, and instead of supercharging this one, we've been working for quite a while on developing a good camshaft package for the people that don't want to go all the way to supercharging. And after a lot of trial and error, we have found the perfect cam, and this thing just goes like a cut snake. Accelerates, the torque is beautiful, just all the good things about camshafts, this has got. We've taken a few customers for a drive and they've instantly been sold. Now, the same camshaft package will also fit in the 300C, and we've just finished this one, and it's just, again, an awesome car to drive. So, the other thing I want to talk about is superchargers for these cars. We're the first people in the world to develop a supercharger kit for the Hemi engine when it first came out, and we have sent them to America. As a matter of fact, Chrysler themselves, the Chrysler Performance Division, actually took one of the Bullet supercharger kits to do all their development work for their future supercharged vehicles. This particular supercharger and manifold setup is specifically designed to clear the bonnet under the bonnet of a 300C, and we're about to do one with a larger 2650 supercharger, which is substantially larger, and that will fit into the Jeeps. Now, that's going to be released in about 2.5 to 3 months from now. Just keep your eyes out for that one, because that's going to be awesome. Ceramic coated extractors are the way to go, and as you can see, these are long tube extractors. We fit these with high flow cats and a full exhaust system. That's what we've got on this car. Gives you a great note and excellent performance. Chryslers, come and see Bullet. We can do the camshafts. We've got extractors on both these cars, and the package, the performance is just unbelievable. See you soon.